everybody, my name is Anna and welcome to my world. Today we'll be taking the Italo high-speed train Prima first class. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell.
We're taking Italo, which is a competitor of Tren Italia. And we really like the seats and the comfort, so that's why we're taking it in first class. So right now we are at Santa Maria Novella, which is the main train station here in Firenze, and we will be taking a 1.5 hour trip to Roma Termini.
Santa Maria Novella is one of the busiest terminus railway station in Italy, used by 59 million people annually.
So over to the left of me, we have people who check your tickets for the train. Some people have it printed out, while others have it in a QR form on their phones. Also, another thing is make sure that you keep an eye on all of your things at all times, because this is a train station. It is open to anybody, whether you are a passenger or just somebody coming in and out of the train station. So make sure that you look at your things at all times, watch out for pickpocketers, and also know your surroundings.
The station is 171 years old. There is a memorial plaque near platform 16 in remembrance of the Jewish people who were deported during World War II. We took the AGV train to Roma Termini. The seats are in a 1-2 configuration.
So we're on board the train right now, and as you can see, the chairs are quite roomy. You can actually put the seat handle up right here. And there's a little tray where you can put your phone or whatever. And there's also a reading light right here. Turn it on. And then over this way we have the socket. We get two, one for each passenger. And then you have the trash right here. And this one, where I put my feet, you can actually pull it up or down. Of course, we have the table. It's quite wide and roomy, perfect for a laptop or a tablet. Now, if you don't want this, but you still need the cup holder, you can simply just open this right here. And you have something for a cup or a bowl. You have something for your jacket so that it's hanging on something and it won't get crumpled up.
The door is easily open with the gentle push of a button. Large luggages can be stored in designated storage areas. There is a vending machine and coffee machine for snacks, but passengers can bring their own food and drinks. You can enjoy viewing the Italian countryside while having a light snack.
We receive complimentary snacks, which comes with our ticket. So I got this one. It's an apricot kind of cookie and a drink. We're here and we are about to depart from the train. So we're here at Roma Termini and we're about to start our tour of Rome.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoy the show. Please don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. On board Italo high-speed train Prima first class. See you again next time. Goodbye!